Hello student, this is your Panda sir. Want to teach you mathematics for class 9th. So as you know, your school will reopen in 17th June 2022 to COVID-19. This entire town is completely locked down. So this is very important time that you watch the video and listen carefully what I am saying. So mathematics is not that much of easy subject. If you are not learn properly, or if you are not watch properly, if you are not understand properly, you cannot solve the problem easily. So today your first chapter is number system. I want to give some introduction of number system. As you know, you are familiar with the rational number. Today we will discuss some more about rational number. So in this chapter we will discuss about the rational number and irrational number, what is terminating, what is non-terminating, terminating decimal and non-terminating repeating decimal, non-terminating non-repeating decimals. And regarding this, there are so many problems are also there. You did not know in class 8. So in this chapter will be better clear about these all the numbers. So dear students, see what is your number system. Actually the total number system is depend upon this real number. Real number is classified into two parts. One is rational number, another one is irrational number. I think you have know about the rational number. So what is rational number? As you know, the rational number means the number which is in the form of p by q is, and q is not equal to 0. Such type of number is called rational number. So let me take two example. One is 1 by 2, another one is 2 by 3. 1 by 2 is a rational number, 2 by 3 is another rational number. So these are the two examples of rational number. Now let me discuss how can you find out more rational number in between two rational number. So the question arises here. Two rational numbers given 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. You have to find out three more rational number in between these two numbers. My question is, again I repeat you, find out three rational number in between two rational number 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So there are three methods. How many methods? Three methods to find out rational number in between two rational number. Okay, first method is, see carefully, here one rational number is 1 by 2, another one is 2 by 3. Just put the value of, just here the numerator is 1, denominator is 2. In second rational number, numerator is 2, denominator is 3. You just add the numerator, matlab 1 plus 2, and add the denominator 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. This is one rational number in between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. After that, you want to take the second rational number, you use the same formula, 1 by 2, and you will take 3 by 2 is another rational number. Same process, you use 1 plus 3 and 2 plus 5. It means 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 5 is 7. So 4 by 7 is another rational number. So like that you can find out the rational number 1, 2, 3, 4. जितना सारा रैशनल नंबर हम निकालने के लिए बोला जाएगा, ये प्रोसेस में कर सकते हैं. सब बहुत सिंपल सा प्रोसेस है. इसके अलावा और बाकी दो प्रोसेस है. सेकंड प्रोसेस में आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ. ये पहला वाला प्रोसेस था. सेकंड प्रोसेस क्या है? सी suppose the rational number is given 1 by 2, another one is 2 by 3. You find out the LCM of 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 2 3 are 6. 6 is the LCM. 6 is the LCM. You convert the LCM 6. What is the LCM? 6. You convert the denominator into 6. How can you convert it? You just multiply 3. Here also 3. 3. यहाँ पे 2. यहाँ पे 2. See 2 3 are 6 and 1 3 are 3. Here 2 2 are 4. It will comes 3 2 are 6. Now how many? Suppose I am asking you find 4 rational number between these two numbers. So n is 4. Number of rational number is 4. मतलब n plus 1 आपको निकालना है. 4 plus 1. It means 5. You multiply 5 on both numerator and denominator in both cases. So 3 5s are 15 by 30 and second one is 4 5s are 20 by 30. 20 by 30. So 15 by 30 is 1, another one 20 by 30. In between 15 and 20, the numbers present is 16, 17, 18, 19. So you just write down the 16 by 30, 17 by 30, 18 by 30 and 19 by 30. These are the 4 rational number in between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. This is the second process. This one is the first process. And the third one process, now let me explain the third one process. What is the third process? See, 1 by 2 is the first rational number, 2 by 3 is the second rational number. So, this is A, this is B. There is a formula to find out the insert the rational number, that is 1 by 2 into A plus B. This is A1. So, how can you find out? 1 by 2, A is 1 by 2 and plus 2 by 3. 1 by 2 into LCM is 6. Here you got 3. 3 divided by 2, 2 to the 4. It means 3 plus 4, how much? 7 by 6. 7 by 6 to the 12. This is the first rational number in between 1 by 2. You got A1. You got A1. Similarly, again you put the same formula 1 by 2. Now A plus not, you will not take B. Instead of B, you put A1. You got the second rational number. Like that, you will continue it. You will find out the 4, 5, any rational number in between these two rational number. This is all about the first question of class 9th. You have to find out the rational number between in two rational numbers. Thank you.